Welcome to the fascinating world of woodworking, where creativity and craftsmanship converge to create beautiful and functional pieces. As more people seek unique, handmade items, the opportunity for woodworkers to turn their passion into a profitable venture has never been greater. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or just beginning your journey, this guide will explore fast-selling woodworking projects that can help you transform your skills into a thriving business. By tapping into the growing demand for quality craftsmanship, you can truly elevate your woodworking game and make a mark in the marketplace. In today's eco-conscious environment, the use of reclaimed and organic materials has gained immense popularity. Consumers are increasingly drawn to products that not only showcase artistic talent, but also reflect a commitment to sustainability. This shift offers woodworkers a unique opportunity to craft pieces from old wood, breathing new life into forgotten materials and telling their stories through each creation. As you delve deeper, you'll discover how to harness the beauty of these materials, along with effective business strategies, to ensure your woodworking endeavors are both rewarding and financially successful. Let's embark on this journey from workshop to wallet together. The world of woodworking is a fascinating blend of tradition and innovation, where artisans transform raw materials into exquisite creations. As the demand for handmade items continues to grow, many woodworkers are discovering the potential for turning their passion into a profitable business. The journey from workshop to wallet is not just about crafting. It's about understanding the market and leveraging the unique qualities of wood, particularly when it comes to old, reclaimed, and organic materials. Woodworking with reclaimed wood has gained significant popularity in recent years as consumers become more environmentally conscious. This trend allows artisans to breathe new life into forgotten materials, creating pieces that tell a story while promoting sustainability. By utilizing old wood, woodworkers can craft items that resonate with customers looking for unique, eco-friendly products. This connection to the environment enhances the value of each creation, making them more appealing to buyers who appreciate craftsmanship and sustainability. Organic wood is another key player in the woodworking industry, appealing to those who prioritize natural materials in their homes. The beauty of organic wood lies in its authenticity and the character it brings to each piece. By incorporating organic elements into their work, woodworkers can attract a niche market that values not only aesthetics, but also the health implications of using non-toxic, sustainably sourced materials. This alignment with consumer values can significantly boost sales and create a loyal customer base. In addition to traditional sales channels, woodworkers can explore online marketplaces to reach a broader audience. Establishing a strong online presence through an engaging website or social media platforms can significantly increase visibility and drive sales. High-quality images and compelling storytelling can attract potential buyers, allowing woodworkers to showcase their craftsmanship to a global audience. Networking within the woodworking community can also lead to valuable opportunities for collaboration and growth. By connecting with other artisans and participating in local craft fairs or exhibitions, woodworkers can gain exposure while sharing their passion with others. Such interactions can foster a supportive environment where ideas are exchanged and skills are honed, ultimately benefiting all involved. Establishing a solid pricing strategy is crucial for ensuring profitability. Woodworkers must consider not only the cost of materials, but also the time and effort invested in each piece. Striking a balance between affordability for customers and fair compensation for the craftsmen can be challenging, but is essential for sustainable business growth. As woodworkers gain experience and refine their techniques, they may find opportunities to expand their offerings. Diversifying the range of products can help attract different customer segments, enhancing overall sales potential. This could include exploring various styles, finishes, or even collaborating with other artisans to create unique, limited edition items that excite consumers. Ultimately, the journey from workshop to wallet is about more than just selling products. It's about building relationships with customers and fostering a community around shared values. By focusing on craftsmanship, sustainability, and storytelling, woodworkers can create a brand that resonates with consumers, leading to long-term success. As the woodworking industry continues to evolve, embracing change while staying true to one's artistic vision will be key to thriving in this competitive landscape. By harnessing the beauty of old, reclaimed, and organic materials, woodworkers can create pieces that not only sell quickly, but also stand the test of time, both in quality and in the hearts of their customers. If you enjoyed exploring the potential of woodworking and the opportunities it presents, consider subscribing for more insights, tips, and project ideas. By joining our community, you'll stay updated on the latest trends and techniques in the woodworking world. Don't forget to like and share this guide with fellow woodworkers and crafting enthusiasts. Your support helps us grow and reach more people passionate about transforming their woodworking skills into profitable ventures. Let's build a thriving community together.